Alright, when we're doing our layout on our Pinecrest shake, we want to find our hip points, or locating points. So locating points are going to be one on either end on those doubles. That locating point is going to go ahead and take one of my ends of my panel. That way all my water channels line up. So you can see I can come over on this side, or I can bring an end over to this locating point as well, and those channels will line up. So once we lay that down, you can see it'll fit nice and tight along the bottom edge. And then we can continue going up the roof, either finding our locating points on either end. Once again, on either end, you can go ahead and put those locating points. When laying out the Pinecrest shake on battens, we can actually work from the top down. So we'll go ahead and get our first full row. We'll go ahead and tack that. Our next panel on, tack that one on as well. And then we can start working our way down. Make sure to find our predetermined stagger. Place that panel underneath. Then we can tack that in. Come back at our next row down, find that predetermined stagger one again, and tack that one in so it doesn't move on you. Alright, as far as fastening the Pinecrest shake on battens, 4 is the magic number for our standard install. We do have a high wind application as well. Consult the manual if you need that one. But they're going to go on the front nose, so you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one will be shared, so 4 in the front nose is what we need per full panel. So I've marked them in white caulk here. You can see the bottom row, we're going to have that 1/2 inch overhang, so about 2 inches up. We're going to go ahead and put the fastener down through the top. So you can see I got 1, 2, 3, and you can see just going down through the top into that 2x2. Now the bottom row, anytime I go through the top on the bottom row, I will need to take my caulking and caulk those fasteners, and then come back with your granules from your touch-up kit and put them into that caulking. Now the rest of the rows, you can see they're going to go through the front nose. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see we're just going to go onto that angle to get into that 2x2 batten underneath. Just like so. And then you can see the next panel comes over the top, and that 5th one is shared.